air pollution from marine activities. The vast expanse of our oceans has long served as a conduct for global trade, connecting distant shores and fostering economic growth. However, the maritime industry, expansive reach comes at a cost, and a cost paid by environment in the form of air pollution from ships. This essay delves into the intricate web of causes behind ship-related air pollution and outlines an extensive array of strategies aimed at preventing and mitigating this environment challenge. The roots of ship-generated air pollution. The genesis of air pollution from ships lies in the combustion of transition to cleaner fuels. A paradigm shift towards cleaner fuels stands as a monumental step in the quest for reducing ship emissions. Liquefied natural gas, or LNG, emerges as a frontrunner in this transition, offering lower emissions and reduced environmental impact. Government and industry stakeholders must collaborate to incentivize the adaptation of cleaner fuels and support research into sustainable alternatives. Technological innovations, scrubbers and beyond. Technological advancements presents a potent avenue for mitigating technological innovations, scrubbers and beyond. Technological advancements presents a potent avenue for mitigating air pollution from ships. Scrubber and exhaust gas cleaning systems have gained prominence for their ability to remove pollutants from exhaust gases. Beyond scrubbers, ongoing research and development efforts should focus on designing more fuel-efficient engines and propulsion systems. Investing in innovative technologies will be pivotal for achieving long-term sustainability. Operational measures for efficiency. Optimizing ships' operation is announced yet impactful approach to pollution reduction. Slow steaming to practice of operating vessels at reduced speeds not only enhances fuel efficiency but also results in lower emissions. Improved route planning coupled with adaptation of energy-efficient navigation techniques can collectively contribute to the industry's commitment to environmental responsibility. Regulations play a crucial role in shaping the behavior of the maritime industry towards environmental sustainability. MARPOL Annex 6, adopted by the IMO, mandates maximum limits for sulfur content in marine fuels. The global sulfur cap, initially set at 3.5%, was further reduced to 0.5 in 2020 landmark decision that significantly curtails sulfur dioxide emissions. The transition to a cleaner fuels is a cornerstone of mitigating air pollution from ships. Liquefied natural gas, or LNG, has emerged as a viable alternative to traditional heavy fuel oils. LNG combustion procedures lower emissions of SOx, NOx, and particulate matter, offering a more environmentally friendly option. Government can incentivize the adaptation of LNG by providing financial support, tax breaks, or subsidies from ship owners investing in LNG power vessels. Furthermore, explaining and developing alternative fuels such as biofuels and hydrogen prevents an avenue for a long-term sustainability. These fuels, when produced sustainability, hold the potential. That's all.